Benji, Papa Val. Maria, Papa Val. How are both of you? I wish you are all right, both of you. And by now, you should surprise me that you have now a baby. I wish you have one. I would prepare a boy, but that is not convincing to do so. But I would prepare a boy. So, how about you? I am giving you a short message today because your Uncle Vinci, my first cousin, has died last night. Can you make it and come over and join and so see him during the burial? The burial will be on Saturday. The viewing will be Thursday and Friday. How about that? Ate Bap will talk to you also.
Hi Benji, this is Bap. How are you and Maria doing? Hope your marriage life is blissful and very. My dad said you're having a baby soon. He wishes you to have a baby soon. So I won't wish. I will just wait because I know you know the right time to do it and to have one. So if you want to come over to LA, let us know. If you're not, let us know also so we can tell Auntie Vida, because Auntie Vida is asking for you, you know, and she actually told us to email you. So I don't know your plans, but let us know, okay? So this is a short message. I hope we'll see each other again. Okay, bye for now. Bye. You have to
Not
say
yet.
goodbye.
I forgot something. You better check your mailbox. I have mailed you about 3 letters since I left Maryland. Please check it and you can read it and answer it back. Thank you.
Okay, Benji. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.